Guys, this is the Bakote. Guys, this is the latest update on this Bakote road construction site here in the Gambia. Yeah, and this is how the drainage looks. Guys, this is what is going on here in Bakote. This is the latest update on this road construction site here in the Gambia. Guys, currently right now they are working on the drainage. You guys can see. Guys, this is what is going on here in this road construction site here in Bakote. Greetings everyone from wherever you are watching this video from. It's your boy here, Prince Seka boy from the Gambia, West Africa, the Smiling Coast. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the latest update on this new road which they are constructing here in Bakote. Plus I'll be showing you how this neighborhood of Bakote looks too in the year 2025. So guys, before wasting my time, let me just turn the camera and continue showing you guys how it looks here. Anyways viewers, this is how it looks here, and this is the condition of this road here in Bakote. Yeah, as you guys can see, the road is still under construction. The road isn't finally complete yet, and where I begin this video, they are working on the drainage. Yep, which is over there. And this is what your boy is getting for you here. Yeah, in this neighborhood of Bakote, the Gambia. Anyways viewers, guys, this is how this part of Bakote looks, so you guys can see. Wow. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes really helps a lot. It helps YouTube to push the video to larger audience, and then don't forget to subscribe too. Your subscription also really helps a lot. It helps to grow the channel. Let's go. Guys, this is deep inside Bakote. Yeah, and then I'm walking towards Sanchaba. Yeah. Guys, I begin this video from Bakote, and then I will end this video at Sanchaba. Yeah, this other area of Bakote, there are so many modern buildings here. This is a 4K walking video of Bakote in 2025. Maybe somebody can be watching this video 10 years, 20 years, even 200 years later, as far as YouTube is still there. And on my right hand side is a masjid, where these trees are, these mango trees. This neighborhood looks so quiet. Yeah, I'm just only seeing vehicles and less people here on the street. And then guys, I will soon end this video. Yeah, I will end this video where this road ends at. Yeah, and then connected to another road, the Sanchaba road. And then finally guys, I'm in Sanchaba Sulejop. This other area is part of Sanchaba Sulejop, and then where I begin this video is part of Bakote. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you do so, just click the like button. And then guys, I come all the way from there, so you guys can see, walking towards down there. And then finally guys, this is where the road ends, and then it connects to another road over there. As you guys can see, this is where the road ends, and then connected to this road. And where the camera is pointing at, it leads to Sarakunda, and then I come all the way from there, and then this other side leads to the Sanchaba market. Yeah. And then this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is what I have for you in today's video. It's your boy Prince Eka boy from the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. Peace, love you. Bye.